Blazing magnets.
Afternoon people, how are we doing? Blazing magnets. We're out on a lovely summer's day. Well, summer's day for March. We're out. Look at that, what a lovely blue sky. Could not get away without fishing today, so we're out near creek. I'm going to go and do a bit of magnet fishing. So just walking up the path to our location. Oh, it looks like there's a boat not far off where we're going. There's a fire going on, so we'll go and have a look and see what we get. Right, so we'll look at, well, you can see it, Bridge 8. You got me, camera, you got the Queen Bee, and you got Marie. You've got Ali. Ali's out with Martin somewhere, so we've also got Ben. No, I'll ping her in a minute. So we're going to just do a spot of fishing. I thought you said it was empty.
Hey?
I thought she said it was empty.
Right,
she's got something. Your mum has. As you can see the smoke over there, they're having a bit of a cheeky barbecue. Was a wheel.
That's a big one.
It's a big old wheel. So we are out at near creek, and she's back on it again. So we thought we'd just come out and we thought it'd be rude not to come out and fish on a day like today, because it is lovely. It is lovely. So what are you laughing at? Oh, you are funny, son. You know what I mean? What's that all about? I'll tell you what, it is lovely and sunny. Lovely. Look at that. What a nice, lovely view we've got. Nice blue sky. Blue sky. Right, oh, hang on a minute. They've got it now. A pair of them. They've got it.
Jesus, that's as old as the hill.
Jeez, tell you what, that's a really thin one as well.
That's a proper old one. Look at it.
That's an old. Let's have a look, Carol.
Look.
Oh yeah. It's a thin wheel though, isn't it? Still, fine's a find, isn't it?
Fine's a find.
Fine's a find. No, it might have been cleaned out here by the look of it. Looks like someone may have beaten us to this one. I won't say Andy. Okay, I blame Andy for every video that we've been to that we don't have anything. Maybe just it's a clean one. You never know. I mean, we have fished this, but we fished this ages ago. Absolutely ages ago. So a lot of leaves. You want to come over this way a bit, see if, as they throw it off, it will land over here. The elusive fisher from Thursday that was missing off the Thursday videos returned.
You have to make sure you're not going over the limit.
What limit?
The limit.
We've got the official timekeeper there. He's going to tell us when we have to go home.
Because if they get too crazy.
Wee.
Yeah.
We've got a teapot lid. Oh, that's what I meant, a saucepan lid.
Saucepan lid.
Saucepan.
Yeah.
It's been there a while, hasn't it?
Top quality, mate.
So, you know, this is strange because we have fished here before. What are you doing? You're making a man on there or what? Nice. Isn't it?
I'm doing a bit of that tide line thing, but she does a bit of artwork.
doggy. He's got it. And then it comes off. It's heavy in end. Right. What? I can't.
I'm on it. Is it down here? No, it's not there.
Right, I'm going to have to go and get the grappling hook and we'll be back in a minute. I went off to get the grappling hook, but they already had it. And
Did you not hear me shouting you?
no, I didn't hear you shout at me.
Where are we going to put that?
So
Over that side.
Yeah.
we've got a pulled out.
I've got my rope and your rope all in that.
We've pulled out a car door. Bizarrely, I don't know how we've managed that, but it's quite an old car door as well.
Going on a trip on our bridge.
Flipping hell, man. That is. Can you turn it round so the door's facing the house there?
You're not asking for it.
No, not really.
What's it say on the handle?
Wow. That's an old one, that is.
It's a mini in it, I reckon.
No, I don't think that's not a mini.
Well, what has a pop handle like that?
Oh, Jags had them and everything. It's got chrome. Look, they're chrome. No, it would have been chrome.
It's blue. It was blue.
It was blue.
Blue in there, look.
Let's have a look. Dark blue. Wow. I'm presuming that'll be the wheel that belongs to it.
It's got the, ain't got no window in it, like.
I don't think. Strange. Very weird.
I love it.
I can subscribe people.
I love it.
I reckon. Oh, she's got something. So the magnet's obviously working. What you got? I bet that is a...
Scaffold.
It's a bit of scaffold. You always find scaffold by the motorway. Is it? Yep, sure is a bit scaffolded. You can probably hear the road noise now. You on something? You were, weren't you? Yeah. Yeah, straight on a spanner, look! Straight on that spanner!
I got a spanner.
Yeah, well, so we got what? 17 mil.
17 mil spanner.
Combination, that one.
Yeah.
Because it's got a ring and an open-ended. You got one here.
I'm coming for
Oi,
some tools.
you got one here.
Out.
Oi, you got a tool here. Yeah.
Somebody's got their tool bag in here.
Yeah. We fished here last September, I think it was. Jesus Christ, you know, I'm in the canal there. And we pulled quite a lot of tools out. That was before we were filming on YouTube. So now, right, we're going to have a little competition. Who can get a full set of spanners? Right, the hunt's on for the spanners. Marie won't get any because yours ain't working.
No, my magnet's not working.
Carol's got another one. It's shut as well, look! So it's 2-0 to Carol now. 2-0 to Carol.
I'm having that.
She's got to cross the magnet, look. Oh. As long as one don't come down here. Oh look, she's clean, look. She's cleaning the magnet so she can get more grip on the spanners. They don't count in the spanner race. Marie's just going to pull the whole bag out with them all in. One go! Have you got something?
I don't think so.
She's got an adjustable spanner. No spanner!
Honestly, I'm telling you.
Let's see if she gets another one. I'll be. No. What size is that last one anyway? 11.
Baby.
11 mil. We got an 11. We got an 11 and a 17. So we need 10 to 19.
Work.
It doesn't work like that. Oh. God, I nearly dropped my fag in the canal then.
Padlock. Squire. It's a padlock to the toolbox.
All right. Do you know what that is?
What?
All right, Squire.
Right, Squire.
A few little sort of weird finds. Got some rebar, 3 pieces of long rebar, some little bits of metal and stuff. So we do on the video. No, but I'll do them. I can cut it all up and do it whatever. Love you, son. Yeah, we won't be long, mate. Just got to walk back.
Mum said it was half an hour.
Yeah. So we've got bike rim as well. Yeah. Bike rim. All the stuff in the bucket. Bits and bobs. Big bits of there. And then we've got down here, we've got a screwdriver, a couple of spanners, a lock. And what we thought when we pulled it out was the it's been all right. It's a nice day to get out. You see, we don't get many days like this in the spring. So thanks again to all of our subscribers. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you enjoyed the last one. 2 parts of all the bits and bobs that we found. Crikey me, it was mad. They were just coming out one after the other. So yeah, we immensely enjoyed that one, especially the outboard motor. Not the normal that we pull out. So yeah, thanks again to, like I say, thanks to all our 373 subscribers. Thanks a lot, guys. It means quite a lot for you to watch our videos. I know we say it every video, but you know it does. And big shout out to Gary Ghost Hunter. Hope your up goes well, mate, and we hope to see you back on YouTube soon. And all the best in your speedy recovery. So get well soon, mate. And I presume everyone will be sort of saying exactly the same thing. So yeah, get well soon, and we'll see you later, guys. Bye bye from me. Bye from Marie, and I don't know if you can see them, they're down there somewhere exploring. So bye bye from Blazing Magnets. We're out. Laters, bye bye.